by the grace of God, they had one of the biggest songs in the year, and they are here. I'm talking about no other person. Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready with this? Ladies and gentlemen, to surprise this beautiful couple prophetically, no other person than Prophet Joel Ogebe and the sound of Salem. If you are surprised, please welcome them. Step in. Am I You say?
Are you whining us?
Sounds like I'm not here.
Yes, now.
Are you serious?
Razor.
I say they are prophetically coming in. Emphasis on prophetic. Amen?
Amen.
Ladies and gentlemen, if you guys are not too busy, help me celebrate this amazing couple and have the first couple dance. Let's go.